Hey everybody, welcome back. In years past, I've done overseeding or renovation with an intricate system of above-ground do-it-yourself irrigation systems. This year, I'm only going to partially do that on the side yard and on the beauty strip by the road. Instead, I'm going to try to see if this Melnor XT that claims to get up to 4,500 square feet of coverage is going to do the job. So this is going to be a bit of a setup for this to overseed and a review to see if this thing is actually worth the damn. So I paid for this, they did not send this to me. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna finish up the beauty strip down here with the sprinklers real quick, and then we'll bust this thing out and see what the coverage is. I'm gonna read the instructions, see what I can do to help maximize 4,500 square feet from this device. It's got a three-way control. There's kind of a, I think this is a stream. Controls how much pressure is actually getting to the sprinkler head. This is probably some sort of width and some sort of distance up here. So let's check it out. All right, so this controls the inner and outer stream. So you can see there, that does that, and that one does that. So you can cover a larger area. This I assume is a stopping point right here on the top. These two controls. And this is low power. Alright, so it's getting all the way over here. That's awesome. So I used to do sprinkler system setup out here that I didn't have to touch or move. I just ran on a timer. I couldn't get the right coverage and I was just getting frustrated with it. So this year I'm going to use this in the main area for my overseeding project, which I'm working on today and filming as much as I can. So that's the plan with that. And I think it's a good plan. I might have to move it a couple times a day, but I'm home all day, so that'll work out for me. So I think I'm going to go ahead and say I do recommend this. It seems pretty well built. It does actually cover a pretty large area. I don't know if it's 4,500 square feet, but it's got multiple adjustments, so it's pretty much good to go, and it's going to do what I need it to do. So I will have a link in the description below to help support my channel, which means that I get a little bit of a commission off that, I think 3%. So anyways, if you want to check out the Melnor XT sprinkler, I'm going to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I like that it's actually covering what it says it will cover. I'm going to get back to this overseed project here in the front, and I will see you next time.